Video coverage of IT Expo is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.
Hi, this is Paula Bernier, Executive Editor at TMC. I'm here at IT Expo speaking with Ann Sung Ruckstuhl. She's the CMO at LiveOps. For those not familiar with LiveOps, what does the company do?
Sure. Thank you for having me on. LiveOps is a multi-channel cloud contact center software provider. Everything we do is in the cloud, so we basically allow companies around the world to be able to service and engage with their customers via voice, email, chat, but in addition, social media like Twitter and Facebook, as well as SMS texting, seamlessly, hopefully easy and fast.
A lot of people are getting very excited about a new technology called WebRTC. Can you tell us what is it and what the company is doing around it?
Okay, so I think this is the next step in the whole, mission of making customer service and customer engagement faster, easier, and better. So as you know, the last few years, pretty much I think the industry has embraced the cloud as a delivery platform. People have embraced multi-channel because they know that's how consumers nowadays engage with brands. Now they're trying to make that last mile seamless. So for a consumer to be able to click to call somebody right away without leaving their current communications channel, whether it be chat or even on a Twitter stream, or be able to click and pop up a kind of a Mayday, which is like the big thing now with the Amazon Kindle service. You have a kind of an agent on demand, right, via video conferencing. So WebRTC right now definitely is very mature in terms of standard space for the voice portion of it. So this is the part where basically you don't have a desktop, there's no more phone. You don't even need a BPX anymore. As you remember, the evolution was, in your closet, put together an on-prem PBX, and then you went to an IP PBX. Now you go into a cloud-hosted PBX. WebRTC takes it to the next level. You really don't need even that anymore. So as long as you have a web browser, and right now you have two simply because of standard space right now, right? So you have your Chrome, you have your Firefox, which pretty much everybody has access to. Then you can have, from a contact center perspective, I can route calls directly into the browser, and the agent would just click accept, and the conversation happens native to the device that you're using. So you could be using a Chromebook, you could be using a Kindle Fire, you could be using, any of those low-end, $200 kind of a device, and you're in business. There's no more desk phone. There's no more even cell phone, which turned out to be, or the VoIP phone. Somehow, as an industry, managed to make it very complicated. So it's like zero footprint, mom. No, nothing. And I'm going to work. Everything I need is right in that browser. Now you have telephony as a service embedded into that as well. So that's kind of where our WebRTC is, and many of our customers are piloting that. As a matter of fact, we just did the largest WebRTC-based contact center with 500 seats recently. I have to say, it's a different game now. And it really is, again, back to that faster, simpler, easier, without having to buy expensive servers, expensive telecom gears. And it's all done over the internet now.
Right. WebRTC certainly opens up a lot of interesting new possibilities, that's for sure. Mm-hmm. So WebRTC is very new, but it's at the same time something that's happening now. What's going to be the next big thing?
I think now is, because consumer basically, you and I probably demand three things of company we do business with, which is know me, don't waste my time, and serve me fast, whether selling me something or servicing a problem that I've got, right? So I think the next frontier will be the know me part of it, which is big data is kicking in. Because everything is in the cloud, that means that, when you tweet me, I do a record pop. I know Paula, I know your contact, your transactional information, what purchases you have made in the past. I know your interaction history with us, like trouble tickets, whatever the case might be, right? And the same thing happens when you call me. I do a record pop. And so the key here is how do I match you based on all that information that you gave me permission to track, to be able to say, oh, your best match with this agent and with this skill set, with this location that can serve your need. So it's kind of like a giant match.com. I guess that's the thing. And it's matching the incoming with the best possible outcome. So this whole real-time big data contextual routing, it's a brand new conversation in our industry today. And it's made possible because of RESTful architecture, because of the web, right? So that I can actually make sure that you are taken care of by putting you to the right, whether it's a self-serve or a live agent, that I know that you will be faster, will be easier, and all that first contact resolution, all the things that we talk about, you're doing this proactively now. So I think that's the kind of the conversation in the market today, and this is where we're taking it to the next level. But again, back to the same, know me, don't waste my time, and serve me faster and better type of thing. So it's really exciting time, I think, in the industry. We're merging telephony, we're merging IT, we're merging web and application layer, kind of all at the same time. And the consumers are going to win.
Great. All right. Well, thanks so much. Great speaking with you.
Same here.
And again, this is Ann and Paula coming at you from ITEXPO Miami.
Video coverage of ITEXPO is brought to you by Content Boost, the content marketing specialists. Amplify your sales today.